official website. Alright guys, so this is no way or shape or form legal advice, however it's factual advice. Now what I became aware of, guys, is an opportunity for international students to become permanent residents a lot quicker in the province of Saskatchewan, right? Now, formally, before finding out this information, I know that all provinces have their very own immigration pilot programs kind of thing, their own immigration streams that person can use to be qualified for permanent residency as long as they are willing to live within that particular province. Now, in doing my research, guys, I became aware of a immigration pathway in the province of Saskatchewan that I was not aware of, and I think is significant for international students specifically. Now, there's different immigration streams in all the provinces. Now, if you guys are interested in learning about the different province immigration stream,